The problem-solving cycle is a systematic process that guides individuals or teams through the steps required to effectively address and resolve challenges. It provides a structured approach that ensures problems are properly understood, solutions are thoughtfully generated, and outcomes are carefully implemented and reviewed. The first stage of the problem-solving cycle is problem identification. This step involves recognizing that an issue exists and clearly defining what the problem is. In some cases, the problem might be obvious, such as a drop in business revenue or a project delay. In others, it may be more subtle, requiring deeper investigation to pinpoint the root cause. During this stage, it is important to ask the right questions to fully understand the nature and scope of the problem. Misidentifying the problem can lead to ineffective solutions, so careful attention is given to accurately describing what is going wrong and why it needs to be addressed. Once the problem has been identified, the next step is problem analysis. At this stage, the focus shifts to breaking down the problem into its component parts and analyzing the factors that contribute to it. This often involves gathering relevant data, considering the perspectives of stakeholders, and understanding the underlying causes. Problem analysis helps to provide context, identify key issues, and explore how different factors are interconnected. By understanding the problem in depth, individuals can avoid superficial solutions and instead target the core issues that need to be resolved. The third phase of the cycle is solution generation. Here, the goal is to come up with potential solutions to the problem. This stage requires creativity and open-mindedness, as it often involves brainstorming multiple ideas or exploring different approaches. It is important not to dismiss any possibilities too early, as even unconventional ideas can lead to effective solutions. Once various options have been proposed, they are evaluated in terms of feasibility, potential impact, and practicality. By weighing the pros and cons of each option, decision-makers can determine the most appropriate solution to implement. The final stage in the problem-solving cycle is implementation and review. After selecting a solution, the next step is to put it into action. Implementation requires careful planning, including determining who will be responsible for each task, setting timelines, and allocating resources. Monitoring progress throughout the implementation process is crucial to ensure that everything stays on track and any obstacles are addressed promptly. Once the solution has been fully implemented, a review process takes place to assess its effectiveness. This may involve evaluating whether the problem has been fully resolved, measuring the outcomes against initial expectations, and identifying any lessons learned. If the solution has not completely resolved the issue, adjustments may be needed, or a new approach might be considered. The problem-solving cycle is a continuous process that fosters thoughtful decision-making and improvement. Each stage builds on the previous one, ensuring that problems are thoroughly examined, solutions are well considered, and the final outcome is both effective and sustainable. Through repeated use of this cycle, individuals and organizations can enhance their problem-solving abilities and develop the resilience to tackle increasingly complex challenges.